Hey, hi. I'm going to show you the stone placement module today. So in this project you can see that we're trying to build up a key, this white design, and this is the current survey progress of the job we're working on. So if I go to Dredge mode, so to begin the stone placement we need to come up to this new stone placement menu. In fact, if I just lock the screen here and go into operator mode, because you can still access stone placement as an operator. So the first thing I need to do is load some drawings which show the locations of the stones. Now in these drawings, I have a couple here, the location needs to be marked by a polyline or a circle in AutoCAD. So let me just load these layers. Okay, so that only needs to be done once. Now that those layers are loaded, they will exist in the project and be selectable from this menu. So an operator simply needs to select the layer that he is supposed to be working on. So let's say he's going to start working on layer 2. Once he's selected it, you see it's been highlighted in yellow and ticked. Also, the system has now changed into stone placement mode. The boom and stick have been made transparent. And these circles represent where he's supposed to place the stones. Now, probably, to make it easier for the operator to see in this mode, I want to reduce down the visibility of the survey data. Okay, so now he can see where he's supposed to be placing the stones. So what happens is, the operator places a stone, and then when he has finished placing the stone, he presses the dig button, and as long as the crosshairs and this dot is within inside, in this case a circle or a polygon shape, it will then fill that shape up. So if I just quickly move over to this one, press the dig button and carry on, as he's dropping stones he'll fill up this pattern. So the idea being that this will gradually fill up as he makes progress, so you can track how he's doing. Okay, so if he then needs to switch to a different layer, or maybe a different stone type, you can then click, say layer 7 for example, and then if I just move and get close enough, and then again press the dig button, and it starts filling up this layer. So then if I go back to layer 2, you see it saved the progress we made on layer 2 and save the progress we made on layer 7. Now if the operator makes a mistake, clicks the button, or forgets to click the button while the tool is in the right position, the supervisor can actually adjust this. So I need to log into supervisor mode, and when I'm in supervisor mode, if I click and then right click, you see there's this toggle stone placement at the bottom. I can use that to toggle whether the stone placement is filled or not filled. So if he forgot to press it while he was over here, the supervisor can fill that in, and maybe he did this one by mistake, and you can uncheck it. So as I said, the drawings need to be polylines or closed polylines, so things like circles or polygons. So I have another example here of a demo layer to show you that it's, you can use any number of shapes. So here I have quite a complex polygon, but it works in the same way. So if I use a supervisor function to toggle this, I can toggle between filled or not filled, and the same with these. And the colour will come from whatever the colour you've set in your AutoCAD drawing. So you could use this for other things other than stone placement. So you could use it, for example, these could be drill holes or a drill pattern, and as you're drilling the holes you could then track your progress. Or you could use this to mark out areas where they need to do work, and when they finish doing work in that particular area they could then fill that area to say it's been done as well. Okay, so when they have finished stone placement, if they uncheck the current layer, like this, so none are selected in yellow. The system will revert back into normal mode, so the boom and sticker field, and this button, rather than doing the stone placement, now works in the normal way, which is if I this up, if I press this button, it will lift the surface up to the tooltip. In the stone placement mode, it doesn't do that. It just looks to fill any polygons in these drawings. Okay, that's it.